which is also known as GLUT channel. Okay, so what does it stand for? Glucose transporter channel. Okay, so it comes through this glucose transporter channel. Okay, now entering into the cytoplasm, then glycolysis will take place. From glycolysis, small amount of ATP will be formed, and glucose will convert into pyruvic acid. Subsequently, it will get into acetyl CoA and then go to the TCA cycle. The TCA cycle takes place where? Inside the mitochondria. That is the aerobic electron transport chain. Okay, so glycolysis takes place here in the cytoplasm, whereas the aerobic condition reactions, that is TCA cycle and electron transport chain, takes place inside the mitochondria. Ultimately, it gives rise to what? Energy. Okay, in the form of ATP. Now there are several other things. You should always remember what? That glucose is a metabolite, but it should have a limit in the blood. According to WHO guideline, WHO, what does it say? It says that in blood, glucose should be how much? From approximately minimum 80 mg to 120 mg per deciliter. Deciliter means what? 100 ml. So WHO says that in blood, glucose should be minimum 80 mg per deciliter to 120 mg per deciliter. Okay, yeah, who was that? Just hold on. Okay, so okay, now sometimes what can happen, that the concentration of blood glucose can be lower than 80 mg per deciliter, or it can even be more than what? 120 mg per deciliter. Okay, so this should not happen. So this should not happen. Okay, it should be at least what? Okay, it should always be at least 120 80 to 120 mg per deciliter. Okay, if it is less than that, what will happen? Let's see. If the blood glucose is less than 80 mg per deciliter, what will happen? Consider that I said what? The blood glucose should be minimum 80 mg per deciliter. If it is less than this, the condition is known as what? Hypoglycemia. I will ask in the exam. What I said? If the blood glucose of any patient is less than 80 mg per deciliter, this condition is called hypoglycemia. Okay, the similar case is also there. If it is more than 120 mg per deciliter, this will also have a problem. Who is this? If it is more than 120 mg per deciliter, we shall call it hyperglycemia. Okay. Okay. अच्छा, ये আমাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা রেডি করে দিবি, ক্লাসের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা রেডি করে আমাকে পাঠাবি নামগুলো দিয়ে দিয়ে, বুঝেছিস? কি সব আছে নি দেখি একটু।
আচ্ছা স্যার, পাঠাবো।
অফ করে রাখো, অফ করে রাখো। সবগুলোর নাম দেখা যায় না
স্যার,
কেন?
স্বরূপা ট্রাই করছে, জয়েন হতে পারছে না।
কেন আবার করতে বল ট্রাই। সবাই ঢুকেছে, কেন করতে পারবে? নামগুলোকে তো সেভও করা যাচ্ছে। So কি বলেছি কথাটা? If in a patient the blood glucose concentration is less than 80 mg per deciliter, the condition is named as hypoglycemia. If it is more than this, more than 120 mg per deciliter, then it is hyperglycemia. Okay, so these are very serious concerns. Okay, so many a times hyperglycemia may also lead to a condition called diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus. Okay, so diabetes mellitus is a condition where blood glucose is how much? More than, এসে এসে চলে যায়, এটা কি করে? Diabetes mellitus is a condition which is nothing but hyperglycemia. So diabetes mellitus is the name of the disease. Okay, you should understand, it is the name of the DISEASE. Name of the disease is diabetes mellitus. And what is its symptom? Very nicely you should remember. Okay, now what is the symptom? The symptom is hyperglycemia. Okay, so if I ask you in the question that এখন আসছে না কেন? চলে যায় কেন দিয়ে দিয়ে? কোন মেয়েটা এটা? So if I ask you in the question that the name of the disease is what? Diabetes mellitus. And what is its symptom? The first and foremost symptom is hyperglycemia. Now what is hyperglycemia? When blood glucose is more than 120 mg per deciliter. Okay, now how this can happen? আরে দূর, এসব আপলোড করে আমাকে দিয়ে কি হবে? ট্রাই अगेन, তুই ট্রাই কর, ভেতরে ঢোকা। তুই ছেড়ে দিস কেন? বারবার এই ছেড়ে দেয়। এই দেখো এখন বসে আছি, এখন ঢুকছে। যাই হোক, তাহলে কি হলো কথাটা, যে গ্লুকোজ আমাদের কেন দরকার? বিকজ ইট ইজ দ্য ফুয়েল। ওকে, it will give you what? It will give you energy in the form of ATP. So in the last class we also came to know how exactly this ATP is formed. How exactly this ATP is formed? From two different reactions. Now WHO also says glucose cannot be present at any concentration. All metabolites, everything should be present in a particular concentration only. So according to WHO, in our blood at least there should be, দেখো আওয়াজ হয়, মেয়েটাকে দেখা যায় না। আশ্চর্য। So what has happened? WHO said that there should be a maximum and minimum limit. Now if the limit is crossed, there is something wrong. Okay, so we will also talk about hypoglycemia. What exactly happens? Now whenever hypoglycemia is there, you should understand that this brain is an organ which requires continuous supply of glucose. বুঝতে হবে, brain requires continuous